Yeah. So I'm sharing now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Uh,
Yes, yes.
yeah.
Yes.
That workflow is all workflow. You could get it or
Two questions came. One is how can we add tools to the newly created workflow? Second, could you please explain Galaxy Server using suitable example? These are the two questions.
that I'll show
Yes,
after
yes.
this is just an introduction. So
Yes.
that I will show after this after completing this.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, then I already discussed, I mean, described about how to create a workflow. That you got it right. Everybody got it right. How to create a workflow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after creating workflow, you just go to workflow to check the workflow is created or not. Then you can go and click here. So here right now this I created this one like this workflow now. So you just click here, then you can edit, then you can download, you can rename here, you can share here, you can export here, and you can view and you can delete also. In edit session, if you are going, you can add the tools, I mean whatever tools you want to add. Okay, then here also you can import the workflow. Then we are going to check how to upload data in Galaxy. So here you can see like right side you can see upload data. Okay, so you can click that upload data. Then you can do like you can go choose local files. Then you can uh, I mean you can open the files like related to your work, and you can open here. Then it will be showing the history lane. Okay, then other than that you can get data using these things. So you here lot of things you can see: download and extract reads in BAM format from NCB SRA, then download and extract reads in FastView format from NCB SRA. So many things are there. Okay, so here also you can upload the file from your computer. Okay, so if you want to download and extract reads in FASTQ format from NCBR, if you know the SRA ID, you can give here. You can give by clicking here. Okay. SRR accession ID. If you know that accession ID, you can paste here, and you can run the two. Then it will fetch here, like it will be in it. You can show, you can see the that data in history lane. Okay, then otherwise if you want to like download and okay, download from SRA directly, SRA database, then you can give here your ID. So for example, I'm giving an ID, SRA ID, SR3 246. Okay, so this data, this SRA ID containing a data set, 10 data set. Hello.
Some disturbances happen. You can continue, I think.
Okay, now it's okay, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, I'll continue. Okay, so these data set like SRP 240, 640, this data containing are 10 data set. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are like control sequence, control sample, and this one is like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is like treated one, like the drug treated one, that is alcoholic hepatitis patients, like patient samples. So this is like and these are the different expression level of that patient. Then here we can, like, if you want to download separate thing, you can download like this. So you can download at least the two control sample versus two treated sample. Okay, so here you can I'm saying easy way. Okay, so you can control you can click here, and you can go here, and you can download a FASTQ format. So you can download it, download whatever data you want to download. Then you can upload, like, okay, you can upload data from here. Okay. So here I'm using for training purposes. I'm using the, because if I'm taking those data, it will be taking time because Galaxy always will taking time to complete the process. So those data will be some accused data. So I'll be taking like in-bit data from this Galaxy. So I think you also take these data, or otherwise, if you have a personal data, that you can take for your analysis. Okay, so here I'm taking the shared data, then data libraries. Okay, then you can type tutorials. Okay, tutorials here. Then go to tutorials. Then you will get, one minute. I'll check and start sharing. Okay. Yeah, you just go to shared data. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
if you have any personal data for analysis, you can do that. But mainly it will take time. So for training purposes, I'm using this data. I mean inbuilt data set available in Galaxy. So you just go to shared data, then data libraries. Then you can type tutorials here. Tutorials. Okay. Why it is data. Yeah, you just take these data like RNA-seq difference data. So I shared in chat. So take that data and type here, and you can see here like you'll get that data. So did everybody get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So then you just click here. Then you can add to your history line. Okay. So add to history line as data set. Okay. Then you just go to Galaxy. Yeah. Here you can see my internet speed is very low. Could you load that data to your history line?
Ma'am, can you again tell us where from where I will get the data? I'm not able to get.
I'm not able. 1 minute. Okay, you just go to share data,
Yes.
then data libraries.
Okay.
Then you can type here tutorials.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then click here that tutorials. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For me, it's not showing here. Like the second page, it will come, and you can go. You just go to second page, and it will show the data.
Maybe you can try clicking on hide, the
Yeah, I
option
got
for
it.
hide.
I got it.
Okay,
Then I
Ma'am,
have
can
to
you
then
click.
click on hide? Yeah.
yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Then I have to click on RNAseq.
No, you just 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll show you. So you will get this data RNA seq.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Okay, then you just click that data,
Okay.
then add to history. So up you can show
Yeah.
in you can see in app add to history.
Oh, okay.
Then add to history add data sets.
Okay. Add to history then.
As data set.
Okay.
Ma'am, please repeat the full this path once again. I mean, shared data. Then
Okay. Shared data, then data libraries. Okay.
yes,
Got
ma'am.
it?
After data libraries,
Data libraries. Then here you can see the search box. Okay. In left side. You can see the search box. Then in that you can type tutorials. So that is inbuilt tutorials available in Galaxy. Okay. So it will show tutorials here.
ma'am, within tutorials, what to do? I have come to this tutorials point.
Ha. You just click tutorials here. Below three like below second tutorials, you just click that.
Hmm.
Okay. Then you just go to second page. So for this training purposes, I'm taking this data. Okay. This RNA-seq data.
Just a second, ma'am. The last one.
Last one.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you can add to your history lane as a data set.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then click it.
Uh, is there any particular name you want me to assign there?
No, history lane already you add. Mm,
In my case, it is showing unnamed history.
history. I think you didn't name your history lane.
Like what? I mean,
Then you can click. Then import.
just a second, ma'am. Control
Huh.
versus created. Just a second.
Error. Some
Ma'am, it's showing error.
why I don't know. Even for me also it's showing error now. Okay, new history. Okay.
Would it be like because many of us are trying the same thing? This could be a problem.
Maybe because of that. Workshop. Then import.
I mean, would you like to advise us to choose different data sets to bypass this problem?
That you can do. Like yeah, RNA-seq other data sets also available
Hmm.
here. That also you can download. But for me, I just did some analysis, and I uh, like I kept that result, because it usually taking time, no, so I already kept result for that. So that's why I'm trying to do that.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to take your own personal data, that you can do, or
Yes,
from
ma'am. When I took ProSec first one, it's showing imported, like it's
oh,
getting
imported.
imported.
Oh,
Yeah.
then you take that one.
Okay.
So others also try different data set or same data set. Okay. Then you just after importing, you just go to Galaxy. Click here. Oh, like Galaxy.
I got two files in the history.
Oh, maybe two times you downloaded. I couldn't download my data. I don't know what. I think here network is very slow. Maybe because of my problem or server problem.
Acha, I was denied this thing using when I tried the RNA-seq Nova, and the same error is again there when I'm trying for with RNA-seq hematopoiesis.
Oh, okay. Then we can do one thing. Everybody try to download that data, and we can continue the workshop tomorrow. Okay? Because without data, if we are doing analysis, it will be waste of time, right? So everybody try to download that particular data. Then tomorrow we can continue the workshop.
Which one, ma'am?
Same thing. What like that RNA-seq data.
Okay, okay.
The last one you
Ah,
mean?
yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, but
can you?
ma'am,
Can,
like that candidate, I could also successfully move ahead with the first one, that is
huh,
ProSync and
yeah.
ProSync.
Same,
Oh,
I
same,
then
also got first
same
one.
with me also. So first one.
okay,
First
okay,
one,
okay.
yeah.
Then
Yeah.
you
How
can use that. Okay, okay,
Well, I
ma'am,
mean,
can,
okay, okay. But
yeah,
I got result in last time, for that data set. If you able to download that data set, you that is enough. Then if it is not working, then first one is okay.
ma'am, please tell me how to name that one. Name the
Pardon,
folder.
I'm not. It's not clear to me.
How to name that folder? Control versus deleted you have mentioned, no, ma'am?
That history lane here one.
Yeah.
Okay, workshop. Here you can see edit. Okay, history
Okay.
lane. Here you can because already I named here, so it will come like this edit option. So here you can name. Here one option will be there. You can name history, or otherwise you can create a new history here. Plus symbol will be there. No, after history, a plus symbol will be there.
ma'am, I'm wondering, like, why do we need to do this history thing at the very start? I mean, people, I've never done anything on Galaxy, so do I actually have some history?
You have already history. Why?
No, no, I'm saying people like, I mean, I have never used Galaxy, so in
Okay.
such a situation, why do I need to do this history thing, ma'am?
No, everything, whatever you are doing, analysis, it will come in your history.
Hmm. Acha. Okay.
Like in future also, if you are doing any analysis, it will come to your history.
I am yet
So
to do any analysis, na? Like, even in such a situation, will it show the history to me?
no, history means no. Now you will not get that. You just downloaded that data, so that data will be there in history. So this like already I did some analysis. You can see here, okay. So already I did some analysis. So that's why you can able to see here in history lane.
Okay.
So for in your case, you just downloaded the data like this data. So
Hmm.
that will be there in your history lane. So
Okay.
after downloading whatever analysis you are doing, it will be shown in your history lane.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to create any new history, here you can for this analysis, this history is okay. And if you want to if you want to do any new analysis, you can create a new history line here. Okay. After clicking this plus symbol.
Ma'am, for me also, RNAseq is not importing, ma'am. First, I uploaded one data set.
Okay, then like you just time is there, no, till tomorrow evening time is there. You just download that data if possible. You just download the data, and after downloading we can continue like tomorrow session. So
Sure,
without
ma'am. Thank you.
data, that will be nice.
Dr. Vijana, two questions are there. One, Bevin Nishant asked, two datas uploaded for me, single and data and paired and data. Is it correct? Like that.
So okay, you will get, okay, I already downloaded that data, particular data, because what I said, what I said in share data, I mean tutorial session, I just downloaded this data here. Okay, it will be like this. It is a parent data, but it will show like this. Here you can see here, like it's a parent data, but it will be like this. 1 2 and 1 and 2. So it will be the data set containing the two expressions of two expression different expression data. So it's like a two different data, that is like paired parent data. Okay, which data you downloaded, I don't know, why it is single and paired, and I don't know. Here I downloaded only parent data. Okay, if you are getting confused about paired end and single end, I can describe that also. In single end sequencing, only one end of this DNA fragment is sequenced. This means that the sequencing instrument reads only one sequence from each DNA fragment. Like uh, each DNA fragment, single end sequencing is useful for application that require lower sequence depth or shorter read length. Okay, so paired end sequencing means it's both end of the DNA fragments are sequenced. This means that the sequencing instrument reads two sequences from each DNA fragment, one from each end. Normally, this paired end sequencing is useful for applications such as require higher sequence depth, longer read length, and more accurate assembly for of complex genome or transcriptome. So usually for doing transcriptome analysis, we prefer paired end data. Okay, though, so main thing, you just download that particular data what I said in shared data. So what I showed in uh, data libraries. So you just try to download that particular data. Then we can continue that session in tomorrow.
Good evening, ma'am. I have a question.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am. I have de novo transcriptome sequence. So,
okay.
will you give any information about how to process that data?
But I mean, you the for doing de novo, we are using separate tool like Trinity and all. So for
Yes.
workshop, I mentioned only reference based genome. So I mean reference based aligning. So if you want to know de novo based assembly, you can chat privately or you can chat in group. So then I'll show how to do, or I think you can chat in privately.
Okay, okay, sure. Ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you.
details.
And
Yeah.
I have one another question that
Okay.
is the tutorials on Trinity are reliable? Like I can follow the tutorial and get the results.
Yes, yes, obviously.
Actually, I tried to do analysis as per the tutorial, but I was not getting the result. Some tools were not working. I could not find some tools in the site, so
Oh,
I can.
main thing I didn't in our institutes we were doing like we were using for de novo assembly. We were using soap de novo, not Trinity. Trinity I didn't use yet,
Sorry, ma'am.
but
Sorry,
I'll
ma'am. Can you repeat it?
soap de novo.
Soap Dino.
Soap de novo. It's a tool.
Okay. Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
So that I tried, but Trinity I didn't tried it yet. But if you want to know that, I just try that also, and I can tell you in group or private.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, if there is any tutorial which you have yourself used and you have tested it, then please let us guide us to
Yeah,
that
I
one.
already tested it. So
Okay.
for that, I'm telling just download that data, particular data, and because already I did some analysis. Still, I'll show you. Okay.
Dr. Vijana, some questions are
Okay,
there.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll 1 minute, sir. I'm
Chat.
showing this history lane.
Yes.
So till so I just data I downloaded, like here I downloaded the data. Then I completed fast QC on that. Like quality control, already completed. Then I gone to Trimomatic. That is like trimming the data. That is trimming the grids. Then I completed the HiSat tool. HiSat we used for aligning the data. Main thing, no, it is taking time. So I cannot show the result at a time. So that's why I completed already. Then I can show the result. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you just try to download that particular data. If it is not possible, you just message in group. Then I'll show other. I'll say like which data is good, which data you had to download. Because that other data set I didn't try it, so I don't know how it will be. And if we are going for SRA data, it also will take time. So that's why if we are using bash programming or R, it will be downloading easily. But if in Galaxy, it will take time. So for us, it is time is very limited, so I don't think like it will work.
Dr. Vijana,
So
one
do one thing, like
question.
you just download that data and let me know that, and we can continue the workshop tomorrow. So because without that data, you cannot continue the work, and so that will be nice.
Dr. Vijana, few questions are there in the chat box. That's why.
Okay,
Please.
so can you see this yeah, PowerPoint file. I'll share to group. Then yeah, it was stress related. Yeah, yes. Then any pipeline in Galaxy for de novo transcriptome analysis. Yeah, that you can discuss de novo, and like currently the workshop will deal only reference based analysis. That is, we are using HiSat 2. So for de novo transcriptome analysis, I'll if you want to know, I'll you can chat in group or you can chat in private. mRNA, yeah, miRNA analysis is possible, but workshop we are not dealing that. Okay, okay. So any question you can, any doubt you can ask. Even after completing workshop, also you can chat in group, and you can chat in private also. Any kind of like related to NGS or related to transcript of analysis, you can chat in private also.
I hope we can wind up for today.
Ah,